Hey, third graders. Today we are going to be learning and thinking about the footnotes that are located in our text, Water Sky by Jean Craighead George. So let's start by taking a look at the footnote that's included in the title of our story. Do you see it up here right next to the author's name? I know this is a footnote because there's a little number next to some of the words in the text. And since this is number 1, I know that this is going to be the first footnote. Now, your feet are at the bottom of your body, and just like your feet, the footnote is going to be at the bottom of the text. So if I go down here, sure enough, I see the matching number 1, and I know that this is going to be my footnote for the title. So what I did was I zoomed in on that footnote so that I could see it better. So let's read. Jean Craighead George, that's the author's name, was an American writer of more than 100 books for children and young adults, including the Newbery Medal-winning Julie of the Wolves. So what does this footnote tell us about the text? Well, first of all, it tells us that this author, Jean Craighead George, was really popular because she wrote more than 100 books for children and young adults. It also tells me that she was really successful because she got a medal for one of her books. So, what you're going to use today is this chart to keep track of the footnotes that you find and how it affects my reading. The footnote I just read in the title affected my reading because it helped me to learn more about the author. So I'm going to write a footnote helped me learn more about Jean Craighead George. One thing I learned about her was that she won a Newbery Award for her book, Julie of the Wolves. Okay, so this footnote gave me a lot of information. So I'm going to go ahead and make my text a little smaller so that I have a little bit more room to fit my other sentences. Now, if you look, you're going to see that there's 2 more footnotes that you're going to hunt for. One is in paragraph 9, and the other is in paragraph 26. Go ahead and find those footnotes, and then record how those footnotes affected your reading. Did it give you new information? Did it teach you something? Did it make you have another new question? I can't wait to hear what you guys come up with. Good luck!